Welcome to 13 Kathleen Crescent, a beautiful custom-built home in Douglas. Down the main hallway, we have a breakfast nook with a beautiful view of the backyard. From there, we come into our walk-through kitchen, right into the formal dining room. From the kitchen area, we have our gorgeous living room with a cozy pellet stove and beautiful south-facing windows which give you great passive solar heat. As well, there's access to the back patio. Down this hallway, we've got a lovely half bath, as well as access to the 2-car garage with a large area for your coats and laundry on the main floor. Also on the main floor, we have the master bedroom with lots of light, a great walk-in closet, and a beautiful ensuite. On the second floor, we have a large sitting area with beautiful windows, and a view of the living room. There's also 2 large bedrooms and another full bathroom. This home also has a full woodworking shop. Thanks for watching. For more information on 13 Kathleen Crescent, visit our website, frederictonhomes.com.